The word we'll be learning in this section is tsukeru, which you will often hear in cooking shows, Japanese recipes, and while discussing methods to prepare dishes. The word tsukeru or tsukeru means to soak or to pickle something in Japanese. It's often used when you are talking about immersing food into liquid for the purpose of preservation, flavoring, or marination. You can use it when you say you're soaking vegetables in vinegar or marinating meat with soy sauce and garlic. It's a very common term in Japanese cooking circles. So, if you're into Japanese cuisine, you'll hear it quite often. The first kanji means to soak or to pickle, the idea of immersing something in liquid. You see it in words like tsukemono, which are pickled vegetables, where the kanji gives the sense of soaking ingredients in brine or vinegar. Another example is shiotsuke, salted or preserved with salt, where the kanji again shows the action of preserving by immersion. I put the radish in miso. 大根を味噌につけます。大根を味噌につけます。Tip the fish in soy sauce. 魚を醤油につける。魚を醤油につける。I put vegetables in rice bran paste. 野菜をぬか味噌につけます。野菜をぬか味噌につけます。Dip the sashimi in wasabi. 刺身をわさびにつける。刺身をわさびにつける。The most common synonym of the word tsukeru is hitasu. While both words involve the action of submerging or soaking something in a liquid, hitasu is more general and can be used in a broader range of contexts, including bathing or submersing non-food items, whereas tsukeru is often associated more specifically with pickling or marinating foods. The most common antonym of the word tsukeru is kawakasu. While tsukeru involves soaking or immersing items in liquid, kawakasu refers to drawing something out, usually to remove moisture. They are opposite in terms of their action on the subject.